Hey guys, I'm Hasa with WTI, and if you're wondering how I got these beautiful curls, I am here to tell you all about it. This is the styling and detangling hairbrush from Afrizona, and something I love about this amazing brush is that I don't only detangle my curls, but also style them. I can use it in the shower when detangling with my conditioner, and also afterwards when I'm styling my hair for more sectioned and styled hair. This one comes with 9 rows. The bristles are made of nylon. I also love the ergonomic handle it has because it doesn't slip while I'm styling my hair, and that's really important for me because I'm dealing with a lot of hair products and wet hands, so it could get really slippery. But with this brush, it is a really easy for me to style my hair. I can also throw it in my purse or bag easily because it's not too big. It makes a perfect gift for that curly friend of yours. But in my case, well, I got 2 of these. I have 2 products in one since it has different functions. And I love how it separates and breaks up the pieces of my curls in the front especially. This brush has been so helpful, and I would highly recommend it to all my curly girls. So that's my point of view.